What are you up to today, Dan?
Well, Roger, right, we'll do some skirtings in here today. So along there, we're going to come round here, bisect the angle.
Oh, so that's not obviously not a 90 degree angle.
No, it's more like a 135, something like that.
So you just have to find that.
So yeah, just going to draw it on the floor, draw around there. But also, we've got a slight fall on this here, on the screed, where it's been latexed.
Yeah.
So we're going to scribe it into the bottom as well.
Yeah. Well, that fall was actually in the step.
It is the old step coming down.
Yeah, because they used to shed the water from them. Yeah. So
yeah.
Short of hacking it all up, you just have to scribe it in.
Yeah, just going to cut the bottom off so the top's nice and level round now.
Nothing puts up a fight with Dan Cox.
Don't know about that.
This is how to bisect an angle.
We've got one there like that.
Go on, do it.
And then one. It's nice, these walls are quite nice and flat.
Yeah.
Which helps. And down now. I'll put that back there again. And when them two meet there, that's their angle. Up there. Now I've got to work from that top edge because I've already cut the bottom off, so when it's in the chop saw I've got to make sure I work off that edge. So we've got that there and there, thickness off there and there, and that is our bisect point, that one. Just come a thickness off, do a line, and that's it, done.
And then halve it.
Then that's it, half, yeah.
I thought there was going to be more magic in it than that, then.
You have to get Dylan to do some...
Can't you make it a bit more complicated?
Yeah, right, so it's 3.14 pi, times that by the thickness of the material.
And 10.
Then the length.
What about 10? You want to bring 10?
10, no, 10's there, I'll bet.
So that's it, that's the job finished, and the customer has put down the paleo click, the Cardine paleo click, and it looks great, I think, and I think Dan's made a really nice job of those splays. He was very particular about it, which tends to be his trademark.